Alright, I got this box today. Now you have to open it. Unboxing. See, essential TRS cable for Katana 50. Okay, what else? Ulooper. Alright, let's open it. Open it. Okay, it's here. Okay, open. Ulooper. Nice. Ulooper. Open. Okay. I think this is the TRS cable. TRS cable. This one. Okay. USB to USB. Yeah. Okay. Set aside that first. Okay, same as the Xsonic. Okay. Nice. Manual. Manual. Set aside. Let's open this one. Okay. It's the looper. Ulooper. 100 ani. Alright. This is it. Ulooper by Xsonic. This will be a game changer for my Boss Katana 50. Okay. Get back to you. Try this tomorrow. Alright.